The 2027 Ford Bronco RTR is a new factory-built off-road performance model developed in collaboration with RTR Vehicles, designed to be a more economical alternative to the Bronco Raptor. The new Bronco RTR is essentially a gateway drug to the more extreme and more expensive Raptor variation. Choosing the latter option locks you into a four-door Bronco with a basic 2.3-liter Turbo 4, which in the RTR features anti-lag technology that keeps the 275 horsepower engine running even when you're not pressing the gas. Ford placed a 1,000-watt cooling fan in the Raptor to help manage engine temperatures. The RTR also inherits other upgraded hardware from its more expensive siblings. A higher level of off-road capabilities is unlocked by choosing the optional Sasquatch package, even though every version has standard 33-inch tires, a wider track, a stronger Raptor-spec steering gear, and an elevated suspension for more clearance. The Squatch option comes with wider 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, a redesigned front bumper, and Fox internal bypass dampers, thanks to Ford's Haas 3.0 suspension, which was previously only available in Badlands.